Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we
2 hours later.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I
1 eternity later.
staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Make sure you let me know, okay? I apologize for the lighting. My husband is working behind me and he has the window open and the lighting is going up and down. Today's video is sponsored by ISEE Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. All of their information is listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all now. I love this wig. I don't got no cons, y'all. None. Zilch. Zero. Okay, so let's get into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Got my little cheat sheet. The wig that I am wearing today is their 13x4 lace front Mongolian. That just sounds fancy. Mongolian. Girl, get out my face. I'm wearing that Mongolian. This is their Mongolian kinky curly wig. I have it in 16 inches. It is 150% in density. The starting price for this unit, y'all, is $81.35. The price for my unit is $138.17. Now, I know I've been going for a minute. Now I'm back with the jump off. Hey, just call me Shalil Kim. But remember, you determine if the price is right for you. I'm just here to teach y'all how to lay and slay these wigs, baby. So let's get into the details of this wig. As I stated, I do not have any cons when it comes to this wig, y'all, because it is the bomb. And I am loving it, okay? Loving it. Like, look. Y'all see that? Scalp. That scalp. Like, it's snatched your soul. If you decide to purchase this wig, I do want to make you aware that the lace does come a little bit light, but I did go ahead and tint the lace with my spray, and also I put some pressed powder over the top of the lace once I blended it down, baby. And this is what I'm serving y'all on a platter. Just eat it up. Just eat it up. Let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is the obvious, the hair, because I like it when you do that right there. I go in and shampoo and deep condition this hair. The hair was really soft, fresh out the pack, but y'all know I like to wash my units before I place them on my head, baby, because you know, germs. I did receive some shedding while shampooing and deep conditioning this hair. Y'all, it is a curly unit, so it is expected, but it wasn't anything drastic, I promise you. If it was, I would tell you, okay? Y'all know I got y'all. While shampooing the hair, I did receive some snags, but once I placed the products in the hair, y'all, it was running through it smooth like butter. Y'all saw it during my styling portion of the video. You know what I'm saying? I just don't tell y'all these wigs look good. I let them speak for themselves, okay? Because walk it like I talk it, ayy. Walk it like I talk it, ayy. Just call me Shamigo. Another pro I would have to say is the lace. Even though it comes light, it is very easy to blend down. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That looks so good. And if you see some lightness over there, it's because I do not apply makeup to the sides of my wigs because, you know, I'm saving products. Like, huh? Why am I going to put makeup on something you're not going to see unless I decide to push it back? The texture is on point. The density is on point. I don't think it's too much hair that it's going to overwhelm you. The more you play with it and fluff it out, the bigger it is going to get. And I feel like I'm going to love it even more and more. And after that, you want more and more. Yes! Come on, Shajo. Come on. Because, baby, this wig is, I'm looking fine, like a bottle of wine. Because age ain't a factor. The two ain't go together, but just roll with it. As far as the wig being big head friendly, the wig was a little bit too big for my head. I did go in and adjust the straps in the back, and I did have to cut off a lot of lace around the ear to make it fit on my head the way I wanted it to. I think this is about to be my favorite curly unit. Yes. I got another favorite curly unit, but I think this is it, baby. You make me want to leave the wig I'm with and start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Just call me Usher. Okay. Did y'all miss my singing or what? I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all, because it's not a whole lot for me to say. Y'all know I will sit up here and sing to y'all all day and night. Because I can tell you how I feel about you night and day. How I feel about you. Just call me I'll be sure. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, y'all. When I'm not on YouTube, I am on Instagram posting on my stories daily and cutting up. Y'all, I like to cut up. Y'all think I sing on here? Just slide on over to my Instagram. The direct link to my page will be listed down below in the description box. Once again, a big thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yeah. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
When we kiss that thing, go ring, ring.